Following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilmette Harbor to O'Hare Airport to 6 nautical miles north of Aurora, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burns Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. The severe